Hi everybody, I'm Kim Winthrop and I own a permanent makeup studio here in Naples, Florida. And today we are going to do a color correction for eyeliner that was black, faded to blue, and my client came in to fix it the first time. So I did the traditional way by modifying the black with a little bit of orange and going over the original tattoo. Unfortunately, after 2 visits, the healed results are not what we're looking for and they still are blue. So if you can take a look here, come close to where her eyeliner is, and then you'll see, you can see a remnant of black, but the majority of it is still pretty blue. So I'm going to go ahead and number up, and I'm going to walk you through the technique step by step so you'll be able to do this with your clients. So after the numbing was on for 20 minutes, I'm now wiping it off the eyes. And then we will start the first pass. So the object here is to neutralize the blue, and in order to do that, we have to use a orange pigment. And the orange pigment will neutralize the blue and correct it, so when she comes back for the follow-up, then I'll be able to go over it with the black pigment. Okay.
Go ahead.
There are many correction pigments on the market. I happen to love Permablend, and this color is called Gourd, which is the orange, and it does a great job of neutralizing that color. So now my first step is going to be using the soft tap method, and I'm going to go over the existing eyeliner with a hand tool. Tell me when.
No.
Oh, so what I'm doing now is I am taking the orange pigment with a soft tack method, and I'm going to do my first pass to get this pigment covering the blue. As you know, in permanent makeup, there's many different techniques on how to apply liner. You can do the soft tap method, which is the hand method, and then there's also the machine method. I also do incorporate the machine as well. So with the hand method, by soft tap, applying the neutralizing orange color.
I can't see.
So as you see, we're starting to get some coverage. I did 2 passes with the soft tap. Now I'm going to use the machine. As you can see here, there's still a pretty large blue area, so I'm stippling the orange pigment in with the machine now. I'm using a Neotat with a number 3 round liner. goal here when she comes back for her follow-up is then to go over with black, but also make a thicker line. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the eye now and see the retention of the orange. The main thing is that you want to get the top part of the liner pretty well covered so that when you create your new line, the blue will not be dominating through. And if you look here, you'll see that there is remnant of the other color underneath the lash, but we don't have to neutralize that because we're mainly concerned with the top part. So you can see here, the orange is covering really well. There's just a few more spots there. And this is the bottom. Now you can see it's almost skin color. So about another one pass or so and it should be neutralized. Makeup that she had done years ago, but we're going to go thicker with our black line next, so we'll be able to cover that up nicely. Final picture after the orange is on and she iced and everything was wiped off, so now you can actually see. And if you don't mind, if you just open once for me, perfect. And you can see all the orange. Okay, we will be continued.